We've had a great couple of days being shown around the island by some English students here, so we thought a nice way to say thank you might be to take them sailing, but none of them have ever been sailing before, so we're just really hoping that they like it. Morning!
Hello! I'm so happy for today because this is first time for me. Then we are so excited.
I'm good. It's very happy today. So I'm too like Rezha. I'm so excited for this because this is our first time to sailing.
How are you feeling this morning?
I'm good. I'm a little scary, but it's okay.
Yeah?
I'm so excited.
We're happy to have you here, and we hope you enjoy it.
Me too.
Go on, Rezha!
Happy because it's my first time.
First time as captain?
Yeah.
We're going to do a jibe, which means we're going to point that way. So when I say, can you see that boat over there? Yeah?
Yeah.
When I say, I want you to turn our boat until we are pointing at that one. Until we are going that way. Yes?
Understand?
You understand? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. And I will control the sail. Okay?
Yeah.
And the sail will go across to the other side. And the front one will flap. And then I'll sort it out. So, okay.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, smooth.
Okay, straight there. Straight, straight. Bagus.
So now we're going to lean over a little bit.
Captain.
So now you see the sail is just starting to flap,
Yeah.
so we need to turn the wheel this way again.
How do you like being a captain?
I think, yeah.
We're a natural.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a game. But that is like riding a bike, learning to ride a bike is like.
I'm very happy because this is first time. We sail with tourists. Yeah.
Alvin, how was it to winch in the sails? Was that a hard job?
Yes. I think it's simple. It will be simple because I see Mr. Matt do it like simple. But when I'm try it, it's so hard for me.
I need help.
Oh, two of you, come on, two of you can do it.
Trade.
Yeah. So it was more effort?
Yes, but I can do it.
You did very well.
Yes.
Bagus.
Very strong.
Yeah.
What is
Very strong.
Indonesian for strong?
Strong is kuat.
Good.
Kuat. Kuat.
Kuat.
Yes.
Ah, kuat.
Thank you.
Yes.
So Rezha, what was your favourite thing about sailing today?
Today my favorite things is when I see the view and when I sitting in front of the ship, and the last is when I try to driving as a captain.
Yeah, you're a very good captain.
Yeah.
What did it feel like to drive the boat today?
I think it's good, but a little nervous because I can use motorbike or car, and this is my first time to drive the boat.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
So first time driving ever, and you drive a boat.
yeah,
That's very cool.
It's my first time, so I'm so happy.
So a motorbike and a car will be easy now.
Oh, I think so.
Maharani, Alvin, Rezha and Rezha, thank you for showing us your beautiful island.
We had a wonderful time sailing with you. Terima kasih.